everyone! I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and showing you how to use some of the products that Color Street has. My name is Jamie and I've been a Color Street stylist for about a year and a half now, and we have come out with some really incredible makeup items. And I know that Color Street is known for their awesome nail strips, which I have on right now. This is from the September subscription box. But anyways, we're gonna concentrate on makeup today. So here we go. First of all, I'm gonna start out with the bronzer. So it comes like this, cute little square box, and on the back it tells you what the color is. This one's called Posh, and this one is a powder bronzer, and I actually use this all over my face, kind of like a base coat. Oh, I better push my hair back a little bit. So because I'm a little bit tan right now, this kind of just goes for a base coat for me. And it's just a really nice light powder. It's not cakey at all. It doesn't beat up or anything like that. It's just really light, and a light coverage is all I do. If you want a darker coverage, then you just do another coat. It's buildable, so you can do as many layers as you want. I think for me this is good right now. Just want to make sure I get all over. All right, so that's it for that. And now I'm going to go on to my bronzer balm. So this one's called Fearless, and it's a bronzer also, but this one's a balm and it is a little bit darker. And so I use this for more of a definition. So right there, I just want to have that highlight right there. Well, actually shadow right there. So then it gives my cheek more of a definition. So I'm starting up by the top of my ear and going down. See how that's already showing definition there? And then I'm just gonna push up with it. We always want to go up with our makeup. So I'm just pushing that up so it doesn't look like I have a line. It's more of a shadow. That's what we want. There we go. All right. Next, I'm going to do some blush. So I have this blush, and I love this one because it's got fun glitter in it. This is called Bashful, and it's a powder again. So I'm just using a brush in there, and I'm just gonna lightly go from here up, kind of like a curve almost. Here up. There we go. Done with that one. And now I'm gonna use my highlighter balm. So if you used your finger for your other balm, make sure you wipe your finger off. I have just a makeup wipe here. So I'm just gonna wipe that off, make sure I don't get my bronzer up where I want to highlight. So this one is a balm again, and this is called Superstar. And there are a couple other highlighters, but I like the balm one. It just goes on super easy for me. So I'm just putting it right here where the light is gonna touch, so it looks natural. So I'm starting at the middle of my eyeball and going out and kind of up. Always go up. And I'm just gonna put a little bit here on my forehead and going down the bridge of my nose. Right there above my lip and on my chin. I'm just using what's left over on my finger. I'm not getting more product on my finger. So there we go. So that looks really pretty. All right, so there's that. And now I'm gonna use some mascara. So Coloristry just came out with the mascara. Was it last week, I believe? And so this is a brand new product, but they have done a ton of testing and studying with it before they released it. And so they did a great job of creating this because it's super smooth to go on and it stays on all day. It doesn't clump, it doesn't flake. This one is the regular. They also have a waterproof. So if you love the waterproof mascaras, they do have that available also. This one's the regular, and I have found that it lasts all day. So it's not like some of those others that, flake off halfway through the day and you have to reapply. Never had to reapply in the middle of the day. So I'm just touching those bottom ones a little bit. So how you do this is you use the top of the ridge and you put it on your eyelash and you kind of wiggle it and then swoop. So lift, wiggle, and swoop. The wiggling helps the product to get on every part of the lash. Instead of just the bottom part, you're getting the sides and the top when you do that wiggle. And this is just super awesome mascara. I love it. Another thing is that, now I'm gonna forget the wording for it, but they had it tested by optometrists, and this is safe for contact wearers. So they actually got that tested, and a lot of mascaras don't. And so that's a super plus, because usually, I don't wear contacts, but usually when I wear mascara, my eyes get super itchy, and this mascara doesn't do that. So that's another reason I love it. I love it because it lasts long, that it doesn't flake, but I also love it that it doesn't make my eyes itchy. All right, you see that okay, I hope? All right, so now I'm gonna move on to lipstick. And this is our tinted lip balm. And this is awesome. I wear this a lot. This is just a tinted lip balm. And so it adds just a little bit of shine and color to your lips. And it goes with your pH of your skin, of your body type. So everyone's is gonna come out a little bit different. You aren't going to have the same shade show up on you as it will your friend. And so it's your lips, but better. All right, so next, I didn't have to put that on first. I just wanted to show it to you. But next I'm gonna show you some of our lipsticks. And the Coloristry lipstick is really nice and long lasting. I wanna show you this too. This cover is magnetized. So if you have this in your purse, this will stay closed because it's magnetized. So you're not gonna open your purse and then find your lipstick open and a whole bunch of junk stuck to it. So that's super fun. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna use lip liner, and you definitely don't need to use lip liner. The reason you would use lip liner is so that your lipstick doesn't feather. And so ladies that have a little bit more wrinkles around their lips, they'll know what I'm talking about. If you have some wrinkles around your lips, then sometimes lipstick tends to go in the wrinkles and feather out. And so if you use lip liner, then that'll help keep your lipstick on your lips where it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to demonstrate how you use lip liner. So you just follow the edges of your lips. So I did an X right here. And this is a little bit of a light lip liner, so you can't see it very well. But do an X there, and then that'll help you form that little part that goes down. So we have 4 different lip liners, and so it depends on what color lipstick you're going to use as to which lip liner you would use. So this one is just a really neutral one. So if you're using a bright red lipstick, you might want to choose a different lip liner. And we do have, like I said, we have 4 different shades. So we have you covered there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on this lipstick, which is a natural looking color. This is called VIP, and it's a velvet lipstick. And so what you do is you start at the bow again and go down and down. That's to make sure that you have that divot there. And you really only have to do it one time. You don't need to do a whole bunch of different layers. Just one time and it goes. And I love this part. Magnetized. So now, because I want a fun shade, I'm gonna actually mix another one with what I have. But I'm not gonna totally go over all of my lips. I'm just gonna do it kind of right here. And then I'm just gonna put my lips together. So it gives kind of an ombre effect. This one is called Baddie. And so this one, again, the magnetized cover, and it's like a dark purple color. I don't know if you can see that very good. Super pretty. So see how that just has the darker look right there, but then it kind of just blends into the other. So that's what I have for you for today. If you liked this tutorial and you want to see more tutorials and maybe just concentrate on one specific product, I'm going to be doing that later. And then I'm also going to be showing how to apply Color Street nail strips, and I'm going to be showing the subscription boxes, and I'm going to be giving you different tips and tricks on nail care. And so make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified when I put out another video, and we will see you later. Have a great night.